Thanks for staying with us. In a groundbreaking move towards modernizing education, EduHub Limited has created a Studysmart app. Here's this week's edition of the Business Review.
This is not a game or a social media platform. It's an educational application aimed towards making learning fun. EduHub Limited has created the Studysmart app to assist students preparing for the primary exit examinations, PEP. Davia Brian Campbell is the CEO and founder.
So the business started in 2021 during COVID. We started out of the need to provide teacher training during the pivoting of the teachers to online learning. And so we started out by training. We trained over 6,000 teachers during that period. And then we now have been moving into other areas.
According to Mrs. Brian Campbell, the app, which is accessible to schools island-wide, is the ultimate exam and study companion for students.
So persons can come here and sign in or sign up. It will tell you about the different features of the app, right? It will also, you can download the app from here as well onto your devices. It will give you the prices, and persons can also pay through the website.
The company is also looking to launch a transformative app for teachers.
We have a MOU pending with the Jamaica Teachers Association, where we will be offering training services to the teachers, but we also will be launching the EduHub Teach application for the teachers of Jamaica, where they can actually create their lessons in less than 2 minutes.
But the innovation doesn't stop there. An artificial intelligence component has also been added, and it's expected to play a critical role in tracking the progress of students.
AI is a wonderful tool. We have AI embedded in the app, that we have the EduHub Studysmart app, where students are able to do their quizzes, their tests, and they're able to see their areas of weaknesses and get suggested practice.
But EduHub's journey has not been a walk in the park.
Well, our greatest challenge is funding. As you can see, we are a startup business, and so funding just to fund the applications that we're developing to make sure that we're able to keep our cash flow going.
These challenges are now the stepping stone, propelling the company into the forefront of educational technology.
Our plans for expansion for the future is we are partnering currently with a number of schools, especially for the EduHub Studysmart app, because the students are enjoying the application. They are addicted to learning, and so the app provides them with the gamification platform that they need. They are learning and having fun. But we also plan to expand, and we have a MOU pending with the Jamaica Teachers Association.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.